Yeah man, greetings and blessings to you and yours, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's 2025, so I'm wishing you all a wonderful year ahead. And as usual, I'm your boy TG, and it's a pleasure to be here with you as always. Now if you haven't noticed, we are past the 2K mark and heading towards another milestone. So let me take time out and big up all our fantastic subscribers. People, trust me when I say this, without you watching, liking, sharing and commenting on our videos, this community wouldn't be what it is. So thanks as well to the countless viewers who haven't subscribed as yet, but who nonetheless are an important part of the amazing community and our family friendly channel. Now today, I'm going to touch on a subject which a lot of people have been asking me about. And as usual, this is my personal views on the matter. Now the question I've been asked by both young and elderly is this: what is it really like for me to leave Jamaica? First up, it is a feeling of sadness. Yeah man, the overwhelming feeling is sadness, as I leave behind so many people, things and places that are and have been a part of my life forever. Personally, I think it's harder for people like me who grew up in Jamaica, who have built many friendships and social connections over the years, than if I was leaving now as a child. There is also the fact that I am known to be and continue to be seen as a positive element, good role model, and an influence to younger generations. Thus, leaving means I'm parting with communities I deeply care about. Furthermore, and quite significantly, my son, who is my only child, still lives in Jamaica. Now, as you know, that adds a whole different dimension to everything, as we are really close, and whenever I'm there, we spend lots of time doing lots of things together. So leaving my son is a massive part of the longing and sadness that I feel. And this happened long before the plane lifts off the runway. Now of course, how could I forget all the other social interactions of being home? I think this is the same for many other people too, because trust me, I haven't found a Jamaican overseas yet who doesn't miss that about yard. Some of the other things I miss is like the way I can relax and enjoy chilling with my friends on the corner. Big up Shine. Yeah man, go and hold on the corner with the domino player them same way, same speed. Bless up everybody. I miss the easy access to the beach, fishing and swimming in the rivers, or just attending a party or community event. And I want to say a special shout out to all the people, the friends and the people I met at several events in and around my Cardwell community. Yeah man, definitely. Bless up on yourself. I also miss the love and friendly banter I receive and engage in at the football matches in Kingsville. Yeah, I used to play there, but definitely whenever I go there, the people them just remind me why I keep saying people over things. I couldn't be more at home than when I'm up there, I've always been a people person, and the social fabric of Jamaican society is full of interactions. So whether I'm in a conversation with a taxi driver as I go from one place to another, or I'm just talking with a passenger who I barely know from Adams, who just happens to be sharing the same cramped seats with me, I just miss yard as soon as I realize it is close to the time for me to leave. Now I'm gonna brag still, but I'm proud of and I miss the neighborly love that still exists in my community, and of course the environs despite the obvious challenges that exist there. The fact that I can still see a person with 2 mangoes and it is not yet mango season, and you can say well go on and they will still share, or the fact that my neighbor ackee tree where they grow right at the roadside, me can still pick some and take home and have a pot and cook and eat, that isn't something I know I can find everywhere. A part of my sadness seems to be in my belly. Yeah, man. I'm already missing the aroma of a hot patino. You know, the rejuvenation of a cool jelly coconut, piece of sugar cane, or some fruits. And of course, can't left out this, the scintillating flavors. You know, when your mouth, you know, jaw corner start ache. Yeah, man, before you take the first bite from an overflowing box food. You know, bought at one of the many local cook shops. Yeah, man, definitely. I have to miss that. Well, as Jamaicans say, Jamaica always a keep. And this is so true. Because something is always happening. And all you have to do is show up. So to me, Jamaica just nice can do. In addition, I miss the outdoor life. The radiant sunshine and the reggae, dancehall, and even the gospel music booming from several houses down the lane. On the other hand, there's also a feeling of appreciation. And this is a deep sense of gratitude that I have the opportunity to go somewhere else. Now, as a Jamaican, I wholeheartedly support the saying, "No one better than yard." But I do cherish and appreciate the valuable lessons, the amazing people, opportunities and experiences traveling has brought to my life. Shout out to my UK family. I'll be back among you soon. Yeah, man, bless up. I must also add that I admire and look forward to the orderly way of doing things in London. Yeah, that is something that I look forward to. But this yardie is undoubtedly mostly sad when it is time to leave my born land. Jamaica, the pearl of the Caribbean, Talawa Nation and reggae paradise. That is why I always leave heavy-hearted. And right now, sitting by the window as the plane gets ready to leave, I'm already pining for the chaos of my bustling Jamaican town. Bargaining with the street side vendors, chatting with the ballers at the playfield, or just relaxing under my big guinea tree in the laid-back ambience of my ever-changing rural community. Anyway, I soon come back, my people. Now we're no better than yard. Jamaica we say, catch you on the next one.